Good evening, Ghana. Why is it that Ghana and Nigeria have the same problems? Nigeria, we go start something. Ghana go come, we go finish work. This whole video that we start, when we come, we know say people come. But I clap for ourselves. When una come begin do home video, when una ask for forbidden fruit, we don't say fruit the way they're supposed to forbid. That guy when they call Majid who is small, that guy finish work for that movie. Do different things. And you find the director of that movie. I want act. Not me go pay me, not me go pay him. Heartless people. Football. We will get the same problem. We will get the same problem. Why? Ghana go there group A to qualify for something. Ghana, Senegal, Mali, Tunisia. Nigeria go down. Nigeria, South Africa, Guinea, Sudan. The problem there is you supposed just to win your matches, qualify, Abi. Ghana go draw one. Nigeria go lose one. Ghana go go. They go win one. Nigeria go first. They go draw one. Where the problem? My problem with Ghana and Nigeria now is una don't throw away una destiny. Now una destiny let people hand for una to qualify. Una got the salt mass. Challenge see. Tunisia need to lose for us to qualify. That is normally the problem. You never just win people when you qualify. Make everybody rest. You go there, they pray. The other people not have to pray. Nonsense. Live and let's live. But let me tell you something. I am from Nigeria. And being in Nigeria is very difficult. I know that my husband Jonathan has lost. Now, you people should allow my husband Jonathan to rest in peace. I was invited to attend a particular church like 5 hours away from here. Because we got here yesterday when I went to the church. The only thing, but you people can sing. The only thing why they here for the church now, I cast. What are you casting? Then they cast. I didn't listen. I wasn't hearing. I bind. I said, which kind of problem it is? And they hear, I cast. No, I bind. And there are no same problem in the church. Out of excitement, offering, tithe, this, that, I spent all the money I had. And I get to trek 5 hours, go back. My brother, now when I start to trek, when I don't trek 20 minutes into trekking, and then I want to let you know, not be everything. Now you just need that, they pray, they call God. There are some things that are in your hands that you can deliver yourself from. As I trek, I don't trek reach 40 minutes. I can't hear one small voice. The voice they say, hello. Hello. And they trek. And you know Ghana song not a good. Hot song and not time. Yes, suit. And they hear, hello. I can't look back. He said, stop looking around. I said, who you be? Where you did? I said, I'm a demon. I said, deal with it. He said, demon. I said, where you did? He said, I am inside of you. Nigeria. I said, what will be your work for inside my body as you possess me? So he said, I am here to frustrate you. My brother. Right then the demon said, okay. I said, don't worry. We're going to go frustrate you. My brother, like I told you before, not be everything you just shout, they pray for. My brother.
Cardinal thing, it's a cardinal thing. It up and meet a this a girl can cool like a cardigan. It up and meet a this a girl can cool like a cardigan. It up and meet a this a girl can cool like a cardigan. It up and meet a this a girl can cool like a cardigan.